tayo sa mga pelikulang ginawa ninyo ni Sarah Geronimo.
Oh.
Tatlo yun with Kathy. Let's start with the very first one. Ang tanong ko doon, ganito lang. Paano napasok si Sarah?
I guess it all started
To the best of your knowledge.
with that one episode of Maalaala Mo Kaya.
Whose idea was that? The tandem, putting it together.
Siguro ang Star Cinema at ang Viva na-inspire by that one episode. And
Nabuhay ang a very special love. Talk about a very special love.
doon ako nadali ni Sarah. ng magic niya, ng charm.
Gaano katindi yung pagkadali sa'yo?
Me and my big mouth. Iba siya. Iba talaga. In the movie talagang, you know, she made me want to sin.
Ang bigat nun.
Ang bigat nun. Pero kinaya ko.
Without even her trying, I'm sure. At dahil nadali ka ni Sarah, nadali nyo ang sambayanan. Hindi totoo. Na-in love talaga ang sambayanan kay Laida at sa Timigi. Doon talaga nag-umpisa, di ba?
Nakakatawa talaga.
Subukan mo kaya magmahal sa isang katulad mo nang malaman mo kung anong mahirap.
Alam ko, dahil buong buhay ko, sinubukan kong mahalin ang sarili ko. Nahirapan din ako. And I'm sorry if I didn't love you in the way and at the time that you did. Pero maniwala ka, minahal kita sa paraang alam ko. I'm a work in progress, Laida. Ngayon ko palang naramdaman na pwede pala akong mahalin kahit ganito ako.
You changed my life.
Okay.
How was it?
You know, sa amin, at the onset, parang lahat kami, Ate Carmi Raimundo, si Direk, lahat kami, is this necessary? At Tita Malu, talaga ba? Because nakakatakot eh. Diba? Because meron siyang, ang tingin ko, hindi dahil nag-hit. Automatic. Di ba? It doesn't follow normally eh. Di ba? Pero syempre, you know, from the business side of it, you have to do it.
Kahit sa plaka, kahit sa kanta, the sophomore project is always the most difficult. Yung nag-hit, halimbawa mo ng kanta, and then when you choose the second song, sa aming mga managers, yun yung inaaral mo ng mabuti dahil tama ka, hindi nangangahulugan na pag kinagat ang unang kanta, kakagatin ang pangalawa. Pero kadalasan, I just wanted to share this with you, hindi inilalayo ang tunog ng pangalawang kanta doon sa unang hit.
Okay.
I don't know if it makes sense doon sa follow-up project. Kaya mas lalong dumikit sa amin si Miggy at Laida.
No, because if you will remember the feeling watching You Changed My Life, nabawasan ang kilig. Diba?
Hindi.
No, nabawasan ang kilig. Kasi, hindi pwedeng parehong, hindi eh. Talagang, may buwisitan dahil may third party.
Kinilig pa rin ako doon. No, I mean, it's perspective. It's really perspective.
Oh, well, yes, of course. Oo
it's
naman.
really perspective.
Oo
Pero
naman.
lahat yung nangyari sa You Changed My Life, nakakakilig pa rin.
Talaga?
Oo. Nakakakilig pa rin. I know what you're trying to say. Na to be able to continue the narrative, syempre, iba na yung mga turns.
Actually,
diba?
pinaka-nahirapan kami sa more than the third one. Sa pangalawa kami
I'm talking about the perspective of a fan. Ako, I don't know, pero nag-enjoy ako. You Changed My Life, parang Ano ka ba? Di ba? Parang dahil doon maraming pag-ibig ang naganap sa buhay namin. Joke lang yun. But again, we talk about lines. Kahit dun sa A Very Special Love, what was the line that you cannot forget? You changed my life. I'm not jealous.
Oh,
Tama ba
yun.
ako?
Hindi ko makakalimutan yun.
Di ba? That came from You Changed My Life.
Yeah, because ilang beses pinagawa sa akin yun na direct.
Bakit kasi ayaw mo na lang aminin?
Because I don't get jealous. I can't be jealous. I've never been jealous. Ngayon lang.